Humpty-Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty-Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty-Dumpty back together again. Have you ever wondered how some leaders manage to turn even the most fractured teams into a well-oiled machine of trust and productivity? Well, today I'm going to give you 5 tips for fixing broken workplace relationships. Rise and shine, leaders. This is Glen Guyton, keynote speaker and workplace trainer. It is time for our executive coffee break. I've got my beverage in hand. I hope you have yours too. They say you can't choose your family, but you can choose your workplace culture and your beverage, of course. Leadership matters, so you might as well get good at it. Today, we are embarking on a crucial journey, a journey of rebuilding trust within our teams. Trust, as we know it, is the glue that holds teams together, but it's also the most delicate of constructs. It takes time to build and just moments to break. Let's start with a scenario that many of us have faced. A project goes south, deadlines are missed, or perhaps there's a communication breakdown leading to a loss of trust. The aftermath, a team that's walking on eggshells. Creativity and collaboration are stifled. What should your response be? The first step on our journey of trust is acknowledging the break. As leaders, it's our role to open the lines of communication, to create a space where feelings and frustrations can be expressed without fear of retribution. So here are 5 tips. This is your strategy. Number 1, open dialogue. Initiate conversations about the incident, not to place blame, but to understand different perspectives. Number 2, acknowledge feelings. It's crucial to acknowledge the emotions involved. This shows empathy and understanding, and these are key components of trust. Number 3, set clear expectations. Moving forward, set clear, achievable goals for the team. This provides a common direction and purpose, and it really keeps everyone focused. Many times when you have these conversations, there are so many ideas floating around, so many different concerns, past hurts coming into play, combined with the current hurts, and just like Humpty-Dumpty's team, we can't put these things back together. So set clear expectations for outcomes as you move forward. Number 4, consistent follow-up. Trust is built through consistency. Regular check-ins and transparent communication are vital to this. Follow up. Make sure that the problem does not persist. So consistent follow-up will ensure that we don't have persistent problems. Very important to check in with people. Make sure that you are meeting those expectations. And number 5, celebrate the wins. No matter how small, celebrating wins rebuilds confidence and reinforces the value of the team effort. So those are 5 things: dialogue, acknowledging feelings, setting clear expectations, consistent follow-up, and celebrating wins in order to put the team back together again. I don't know why Humpty-Dumpty didn't have any, or the king didn't have any women on his team. Maybe that would have helped them put things back together quicker. I don't know. Hey, we like diversity, right? So the challenge for you this week, I challenge you to initiate an open dialogue with your team. Identify one area where trust has been compromised, and it probably does exist, and take the first steps toward healing. Hey, you work together. Bad feelings can lead to safety issues. Bad feelings can reduce productivity. It can cause people to call out sick. Belonging, well-being is so important in the workplace. Remember, it's not just about fixing what's broken. It's about building something stronger in its place. And I want you to have strong teams. So As we close, let's not forget the strength and perseverance that it takes to lead with empathy and inclusivity. Better leaders get better results. So to every one of you leading the charge for a more supportive and engaging workplace, I leave you with this. Stay bold, stay inspired, and remember that your actions today shape the culture of tomorrow. My name is Glen Guyton. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Hey, incredible viewers, are you ready to transform your workplace into a haven of respect and productivity? Well, I would encourage you to check out my book, Navigating Microaggressions at Work. This is an essential read for your employee resource groups to help you identify, address, and prevent microaggressions in the workplace, because I want you to foster an environment of inclusion and respect where everyone thrives. Make a choice that leads to a less stressed, high-performing team. The book is available on Amazon.